video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the Sol token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Solana to replace Ethereum in blockchain gaming, Paradox Studios founder says. Compared to Ethereum's Solidity language, when developing play-to-earn (P2E) games, the ease of use of Solana's building language Rust will give Solana a competitive edge, according to Amy Otelio, the founder of UK-based animation and game development platform Paradox Studios. But blockchain gaming continuously accelerating the metaverse narrative, Amy Otelio believes that the huge funding that Solana is offering developers is intended to woo them from the Ethereum network, and it is starting to take shape. He pointed out, Solana will leave Ethereum in the dust this year, when it comes to gaming. They now have a huge list of games looking to launch this year on Solana, which will take them into the lead position in this area, in my opinion. Solana has already rolled out $400 million to enhance Web3 gaming in the last 6 months. Amy Otelio noted that he made these observations after meeting various specialists who disclosed the simplicity of Rust. He added, when you realize every product or service is made by or provided by a business, you must realize the main goal of a business is to make money and maximize profit. So with low costs and high transaction speed, and massive funding for gaming developers, the growth is going parabolic. The blockchain gaming sector continues to gain steam, given that it attracted investments worth $1.1 billion in January. The action of both assets, Sol was trading at $80.94, having risen by 0.67% in the last 24 hours, while falling by 3.75% over the last 7 days. Meanwhile, Luna was changing hands at $93.04, after appreciating by 5.81% in a day, and rallying by 12.82% in 7 days. While investors might take this as a sign to gather some alts for their portfolio, both coins come with their own baggage. For instance, Solana's total value locked TVL share has been on a certain downtrend since the fall of 2021. Meanwhile, Terra's TVL is on the rise, and with a 12.95% share, it is just behind Ethereum itself. And yet, analysts are concerned that Luna could be due for a correction soon. Furthermore, DeFi players are questioning the yield sustainability of Terra's anchor lending protocol. As Studio launches new NFT animated series, The Gimmicks Red. The Gimmicks is a community-driven animated NFT series on the Solana blockchain. 10K NFT holders get to decide the story arc of the show through on-chain voting in a choose-your-own-adventure style poll at the end of each episode, with new episodes releasing every week. The digital arm of actor Smila Kunis's Orchard Farm Productions, 6wall, has teamed up with Web3 animation studio Toonstar to launch a Solana-based NFT animated series. Dubbed The Gimmicks. The animated series is about a group of retired professional wrestlers who are trying to reclaim their glory days in the ring. Interestingly, the new series features a choose-your-own-adventure mode, which will allow NFT holders to vote on the storyline, plots and characters in each episode. Speaking to reporters, the CEO of Toonstar, John Atanasio, described the series as South Park meets WWE, but interactive and greasier. Notably, World Wrestling Entertainment, WWE, stars like Rocky Romero, Carl Machine Gun, and Tokens Price. Second news today about BlockTackle raises $5 million to develop Solana NFT skateboarding game. Veteran video game developers are pouring into the blockchain space. If recent studio funding announcements are any indication, and here's another to add to the list. Today, startup BlockTackle announced that it has raised $5 million to develop a Solana-based skateboarding game called Skatex with a team of experienced developers. The $5 million seed round was led by Play Ventures and Cadenza Ventures. An array of other notable investors also participated, such as Coinbase Ventures, Solana Ventures, leading metaverse investor Animoca Brands, and Twitch co-founder Kevin Lin. Lock Tackle is a new Web3 gaming studio co-founded by Ben Topkins and Rob Oshima, who previously worked together at mobile gaming firm Kabam. The 13-person team also includes veterans of Electronic Arts, Apple, Roblox, Lucasfilm, and Supercell. While working on hit free-to-play mobile games like Kingdoms of Camelot, the co-founders saw how players poured countless hours and dollars into games for years, but had nothing they could ultimately sell or bring into another game. If they moved on to a new game at some point, then they'd start back at zero. In other words, developer, if you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. Sol rate prediction 2022. Sol will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Sol price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for Sol will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. Sol price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Sol will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. Sol rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Sol is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Sol will be between